chicken fans, we got an iPad. Box. Ano iPad? Box. Please. Oh.
Tatakan mo yan. Tatakan mo yung nakaangat.
Oh my God! Charger plugs. Charger. I don't know. I never unboxed this before. Yung charger plug. Ang isa ng charger plug. Charger plug. Guys, we almost got the plug already. Plug. Ito yung ano to plug yung wrist. Ano na yung plug ng edges. Ito na right. Is this the right way? Card. Guys, which case should I pick? This one or this one? In the next video, this is the new thing that I'm gonna vlog. My notepad, I kind of punched it and kind of touched it. Do one with no protective screen. I really want to pick this one or this one. I'm not sure which one should I pick. What is this?
Wala. Pang ano na yan. Wala yan.
What is that?
Wala yan sa box lang yan.
How to turn it on? I don't know how to turn one of these on. Oh my God! I've been kicking. I never know how to do it. Oh, I did open it. Ah. Let's move inside. Now it's time. I'm gonna use the original. The free.
The free.
I'm using this one. Titignan ko sino mas maganda. Para ito. Which one's more good than this one? It's more easier. Ano sa po yung ideas of it? Good or bad? Baby, Bobby, Boo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.